Se ye beyi Francatunia ewo mrem article 33:11 kyerɛ se nipa dodo a pese ebegyina no se omo bro 5 a ekwan ben so ne emfa so a yenyi wom. It is there. I say every decision shall be determined by the National Council. One can say aspirant too. One can say aspirant and determine rules or said you. Rules and regulations shall be determined by the National Council. And bibia wamuye bia no. What's fair? We are same journey. Where the from day one. Abesi bebia babedu ye. Obia ni wa watiti obia. Obia ni wa otiti obia ewom. In fact, 2 days to 26th of August now yekoto aban. All the aspirants, according to the general secretary, all the aspirants were satisfied. In fact, aboma omo de kwakoto abano. Obia say okay. Minia, but the fact of the matter is, nipani bia womu kwa ejina say yentu omuswa. They missed the targets. So we drew Ashanti region. Now also call Council of Elders war. Also call founding members war. Also call friend is regional executives war. Also call constituency chairman MPs war. No, nam Central Market. No, nam dom. Ejom fwensu no mu na eto abawu. So when you miss your target, you lose. What you say? Achire wo or check category of people are omubekwa koto special delegates election. What did the Americans say? Achire wo first and foremost the former president Edinwum, vice president, former vice president, regional executives, national executives, constituency chairman, MPs, founding fathers. Watch out, Uncle for when you say, Kobo Hokoya campaign. Oba no way you almost in chain. Now, Namjum. O former Okotoye, we say the co-president here be the MPP and a jum former a Kotoya, Omoko submit him out. Whilst the other person, no executives who woman a better abano and Omoko submit form. So, why not old dada? Why and a old dada no? And you are Alan Kyerematen so okay, miniaka victimization. We saw ministers who Abna friend say Osai MP deputy finance minister no. Sa lady Kamaka. Yes. Now on tie Yura Alan Kyerematen achi. Yura mewu onya railways minister. On tie Yura Alan Kyerematen. Why na yi na di say wa okota na chinti ye yiwadi. Why na yi na di? O ti ase. Why na yi na di? So, o ka say you victimize. Why you victimize no? Obian victimize obia. So what I say? Ena wo no ankasa ye call to about rules and regulations ye dey ya ade ni nyina no. Ehemfa apart from north east one obi kwa akoto na aba. Now we say we're displaying to work or to wash and so I was equally an agent too. Rules and regulations in the account say obi a display na who agent to control so. One control and so self defense. I condemn it. But it was a self defense. What you say? In any case, young fan say sa adienesi when you be crampo. Now other areas in Bibia and Siambo Bianya no so. What happened? Other areas now, Alan Kyerematen agent no, yan so mumu Obia tina ho no. What happened? How come say a hodie went him a horse one winning? If enuntia, how come? Et you know, okasi skewer. That wasn't the case. Okasi violence, that wasn't the case. Violence, you know, it's your baby bakupe. But you don't use it. It was widespread, which wasn't the truth. Which wasn't the truth. enti ye wura Alan Kyerematen obi anu a waye we odun ane niema a wo keka no nyina say skilled no enya no kra violence no enya no kra na na do ka say obeso unsa owi a wo ba no a no and so much mu say you need to work hard. Se Kofi Asante say me ko a wo na abetina makonwa ma you need to work hard. You need to work hard. Bibia mu no eye nyeden ene adwumaden ene ye. So nobody has done anything against him.
All right.
You are so when you ye ni modern bar or the boa party no. O wusika ye adwuma. 87.9. But I don't say who sika nti brabedi animu. And I think I would do America there Bill Gates wusika pa on a president o. Bill Gates now wusika no on a president o. Obi anya ne hwe aban so wo ka ho bi. Oka hu bi oye board chairman e wo Ghana Gas. Interior Ministry ho no so no. Nyo no na ye chairman ho. Enyo na ye chairman ho. Onsan so enye MP. Onsan so nye MP. Enti aban wo ka hu bi. Enti e kasa aban mu fo na ye de ben a. His part. But I think say ye nyina no for a collective good nti ye nya abotre. If you have any difference, let us discuss. But maybe I will tell him, when you want to win an election, you need to have a targeted inkofua unu omubedi. Identify them, go to them, and talk to them. But uba na se car dealers no be go omu. Instead of say delegates polling station for omudinwo album no, you are going to lose.
It's a fact. Be an car dealers ni be a delegate.
Many problem. But I'm also telling you, say, ye were polling station executives, ye were constituency executives, ye were regional executives, and I tell you, one way or the other, no, Obi were delegating because of MP, no.